All right, let's get you a very special voice, somebody who's seen a lot of booms and busts and has a very good grip on the market timing actually. Sanjiv Bhasin of IIFL is here with us. Sanjiv, good afternoon. How are you analyzing the way market is actually panning out right now? There is some amount of expectation already on the street that market had run up a whole lot and some correction would make it healthy. So people are not really panicking, but the screen is looking definitely scary. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, hi. So there will always be the perfect storm, and now people are calling for taper tapering, and we've seen the US have couple of very, very bad days. But that's part and parcel of the market. Look at the three things which today most people are highlighting: the US attack on Syria, the Hong Kong sell-off because of higher taxes. But you are up against Prime Minister Modi, who's only saying that PSUs are there not to be in business, no business to be in business. And he's on the back telling you the monetization of land banks, the monetization of real estate, the privatization of banks. You cannot ignore India. So you cannot ignore this noise. Hence, all these are opportunities to buy. From the charts which I get, or someone from the US who tracks the US yield, he told me this is the 8th month which ends today. There will be a top at 1.61 on the yield. It's not going further. In fact, he feels the consolidation may see yields head down in the next 2 weeks. So we think the next 2 weeks are an opportunity where you could see volatility. But I'm very, very sure that 14,500 or maybe 1,500 points over there holds on. And after the second week of March, we again, middle of March, we should be back to 15,400. Look at the bond homie. For the first time, the India-China DGMOs are talking about peace. You've got Pakistan and India also on the peace wire. So, this, like I said, ignore the noises because you are getting stocks that you wanted at prices which you want. Otherwise, then you'll keep fetching because overall, we know that the global liquidity is definitely here to stay. And if anything, these opportunities are buying instances.
Sanjiv, how much more correction do you foresee in the medium to near term? Because you do look at a lot of studies put together to chart out near-term movements as well. What is the probability?
So, Ajay, like I said, I am very sure today you make a bottom. Now, the next 2 weeks, you could transcend between this 14,500 to 15,200. But read my lips. After the 15th of March, we are headed back to 15,400 and maybe beyond. I think all these corrections are going to be sharp, swift, but shallow. So you have to use your acumen into buying what you feel is going to give you value. And like I said, in the last few days, we've been overweight on pharma. We are using IT as a very good bellwether because Indian IT is a service provider. They will only get stronger, and some consumer stock. But Bank Nifty around these levels is again giving a very good entry point, especially in those banks which are well capitalized and which will actually benefit from rising yields. So I am very sure 14,500 may be the bottom today, which we hold 1,500 points give or take. But look at new highs, maybe 15,400 being tested in the second half of March.
Sanjiv, leave us with some names of your favorite stocks, irrespective of the section of the market, mid cap, small cap, large caps, anything?
So again, some PSUs which have underperformed for 3 years are outperforming now. As a disclosure, they are one of our holdings and we are very bullish on that. NBCC, Hindustan Copper are two names on the PSU basket. I am very bullish at these prices on ICICI Bank and Bandhan Bank. I am overweight on HCL Tech, and two of my largest holdings is Sun Pharma and Lupin. If you made a basket of these, I can guarantee you the next 3 months you'll make a lot of money.
Great, Sanjiv. Our viewers have always benefited from your sound advice and a voice of calm and reason in the market. Thanks very much today as well. That was Sanjiv Bhasin of IIFL talking about a corrective phase to last for a very short time, sharp correction. And you should be looking at taking advantage of this by buying a basket of PSUs, some pharma stocks he spoke about, and IT. And watch out for the phase till 15th of March, according to him. Let's move on.